So guys, I skipped school today because I have a sore throat, so I might sound different, but if you go over here, you can get out of the map. Actually, come right over here. Like, you just do that. It might take a while though. You gotta get it in like a good spot too, like that. And you just gotta like keep trying. And you gotta get out of the map just like that. Pretty simple. And that's how you get out of the map. And you need like an umbrella or something, so like you could actually like float wherever you want to go. And that's how you get out of the map.